As we enter, this over here is a spacious living and dining area. First over here, this is your kitchen space. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Agarwal Sky Heights by Agarwal Group located in Vasai East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the actual towers and the construction is in full swing. Also, 75% of the work is completed. And you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2 acres. As you can see in the model, it will have 6 towers of ground plus 32 story, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities on podium and rooftop level that includes gym, clubhouse, senior citizen zone, stargazing deck, multi-purpose court, kids play area, jogging and walking track and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Thakur Engineering College, Vasai East, from where Vasai Railway Station is at a distance of 2 kilometers, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes, D-Mart is at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital, all within the distance of 300 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering your actual flat, which is a 3 BHK of the residential project Agarwal Sky Heights. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 811 square feet. As we enter, this over here is a spacious living and dining area, and what all you can see in this apartment you will be getting at the time of the possession. You will be getting false ceilings, video door phones provided, full French windows with a very spacious balcony in the living. Moving forward, this apartment is on a butterfly layout, so your first bedroom is on this side. That you can see is very spacious. The wall designs will also be the same as it is provided at the time of the possession. Again, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can see how spacious this room is, where you can place your king size bed, customize your wardrobes. And in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings along with the lights and a water tank provided that is of 500 liters. And as you can see, this is the space of your balcony of your first bedroom, where metallic railing is provided and soundproof glasses are provided in the French windows. Now let's move to the other side of the apartment. Over here, this is your alley area that has entrance to your other bedrooms, common washroom and your kitchen space. First over here, this is your kitchen space, where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. Fully modular kitchen is provided. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. Lower cabinets are provided, upper cabinets are also provided. Along with the chimney, you have space provided to place your refrigerator, and again you have full French windows with a dryer balcony where you can place your washing machine. opposite to your kitchen is a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And again, the lights and a 500-liter water tank is provided in this washroom. Diagonally opposite to your common washroom is your second bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place a king-size bed, customize your wardrobes. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat, and again let me remind you, you will be getting as it is. You can see everything that is in this flat and in the bedroom you will be getting at the time of the possession. Again, you have full French windows with the balcony is in this bedroom as well. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you will get a foyer area that gives your bedroom privacy, and towards the right of the entrance of your bedroom is the entrance of your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles, lights are provided, geysers are also provided with a 500-liter water tank. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king-size bed along with your side tables. You can see how spacious your master bedroom is. The wall designs will be as it is at the time of the possession. And again, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony that has metallic railing and soundproof windows. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Agarwal Sky Heights.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.